Introducing Metra Jeep Accessories new amber LED side marker lights for 2018 and up Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator, the JP-SML2. Start by removing the two 10mm screws. Using a pry tool, remove the two push pins. Fold back the wheel well lining, then locate and disconnect the side marker light wiring. Using a T30 Torx bit, loosen but don't remove the retaining screw from the side marker light. Next, pull the side marker light out and remove the retaining screw from the factory light and install it into the new light. Finally, install the new side marker light. Following these steps in reverse order, make sure to test the functionality after connecting the light wiring. For any more information on this product, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.